Hello everyone. Hope you are doing well. I can't control myself. Now I am feeling relaxed. Have you ever wondered how urine is formed? There is one system in our body that works hard to remove the waste in the form of urine from our body. We call it as an excretory system. Do you know what the excretory system consists of? So the human excretory system consists of 2 kidneys, 2 ureters, urinary bladder and a urethra. There are 2 kidneys in the abdomen, one on each side of the spine. The urine travels through the ureters into the bladder. The urinary bladder is where the urine that is produced in the kidneys and held until it expelled out through the urethra. Isn't it fascinating to know the actual process? So let us begin. Now, making urine serves the function of filtering waste material from the blood. Similar to how the lungs remove the CO2, the kidneys eliminate the nitrogenous waste from the blood, including the urea and the uric acid. Therefore, it should come as no surprise that the fundamental filtration unit in the kidneys, like in the lungs, is a collection of blood capillaries with incredibly thin walls. The cup-shaped end of the coiled tube known as the Bowman's capsule, which collects the filtrate, is connected to each cluster of capillaries in the kidney. Nephrons, the filtration unit that make up each kidney, are numerous and closely packed. As the urine travels down, certain components of the original filtrate, including glucose, amino acids, salt, and a significant amount of water, are preferentially reabsorbed. So, the amount of water that is reabsorbed relies on the amount of extra water in the body as well as the amount of dissolved waste that needs to be expelled. Each kidney produces urine which finally travels through the ureter, a lengthy tube that joins the urinary bladder to the kidney. The urinary bladder stores the urine until the urge to urinate through the urethra is triggered by the pressure of the inflated bladder. Because the bladder is muscular, it is controlled by the neurological system. Consequently, we can typically suppress the urge to urinate. Even you will be surprised to know that the bladder of human can expand to accommodate up to 400 ml of urine. Now I hope you understood the concept. Thank you and happy learning.